Before buying a head gasket sealer, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it.
Product number 1, Permatex Ultra Black Gasket Maker. The Permatex 8218 Ultra Black Maximum Oil Resistant RTV Silicone Gasket Maker. This caught my attention because it has a non-corrosive formula that's perfect for oily surfaces, and it's priced at just $7.56. If you want something reliable to seal those pesky leaks, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This product is designed for high flexibility and strong adhesion, meaning it grips well to oily surfaces and lasts over time. It's suitable for various applications, including engine oil and transmission fluid, ensuring you have a tough, long-lasting seal. Plus, it's sensor safe, which means you won't have to worry about damaging your car's electronics. With over 10,000 units sold last month, it's clear that people trust this product. Now, some people complain about its application being a bit tricky, especially in tight spaces. Here's the thing though, if you're careful and patient, it really isn't a deal breaker. It's designed for those who know their way around a vehicle or are willing to learn. This is perfect for you if you're doing DIY repairs on older vehicles. Skip this one if you need a quick fix and aren't ready to get your hands dirty. For its price, it offers great value for money. Now, if that application challenge concerned you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Permatex Ultra Gray Gasket Maker. We have the Permatex 82194 Ultra Gray Rigid High Torque RTV Silicone Gasket Maker. I was drawn to it for its ability to handle high torque situations, and at a price of $717, it's hard to ignore. If you're tackling heavy-duty tasks, this might be the one for you. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This gasket maker is designed for maximum vibration resistance, which is crucial for high torque applications like valve covers and oil pans. It can withstand temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, making it perfect for those hot engine environments. The low odor and non-corrosive formula also make it a breeze to work with, especially if you're sensitive to strong smells. It's already made waves with 3,000 sales last month, indicating a strong following. Now, some users mentioned that it can take a bit longer to cure fully compared to others, but honestly, I think the wait is worth it for the durability and strength it provides. This is perfect for you if you're working on a high-performance engine. Skip this one if you're looking for a quick patch-up on lighter jobs. Overall, it's a solid investment for the quality you get. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for long-lasting seals.
Product number 3, Blue Devil Head Gasket Sealer. Let's talk about the Blue Devil Products 38386 Head Gasket Sealer. Priced at $57.49, I know it's a bit of a splurge, but hear me out. If you want a permanent seal for head gasket leaks, this is definitely worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This product provides a permanent seal for blown head gaskets, warped heads, and even heater cores, which means you can avoid costly repairs down the line. It's compatible with both gasoline and diesel engines, so it fits a wide range of vehicles. Plus, it's designed to be easy to use, which is a major relief if you're not a mechanic by trade. With over 300 units sold last month, it's clear that users are finding success with it. Now, some people did report that it takes time to work and requires a bit of patience, but honestly, if you follow the instructions, the results can be a game changer for your engine's health. This is perfect for you if you're facing a serious head gasket issue and want to avoid a full engine rebuild. Skip this one if you're just looking for a minor fix, as it's more for significant repairs. For someone serious about their car, it's worth every penny. Now, if the price tag of Blue Devil made you hesitate, the next product offers a more budget-friendly option. Product number 4, ZDBB Silicone Gasket Assortment. The ZDBB 70 Pieces Plumbing Silicone Gasket Assortment Kit, priced at $9.99. I was intrigued by its versatility and the variety of sizes included. If you're looking to tackle multiple projects, this one's worth considering. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This kit contains 6 different sizes of high-temperature silicone gaskets, making it a great choice for various plumbing needs. It's designed to handle extreme temperatures, from -65 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. That means whether you're dealing with hot or cold water, these gaskets can handle it. With over 300 sold last month, it's clear that many people appreciate having options at their fingertips. Now, some users found that the quality could be inconsistent across different sizes. Here's the thing though, Most people reported good experiences with the essential sizes, so it mostly depends on your specific needs. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast who likes to have a variety of gaskets on hand. Skip this one if you're only looking for a specific size, as it might be overkill. For the price, it provides solid value with flexibility. All right, that was a practical option, but if you're looking for more specialized solutions, the last product is something you might find interesting. Product number 5, Kezi Assorted Plumbing Washers Kit. We have the Kezi 24 Sizes Plumbing Washers Assorted Kit available for $13.99. I found this kit appealing because it targets various plumbing needs. If you're after a comprehensive solution, this might be just what you need. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This kit includes 165 pieces in multiple sizes and styles, perfect for those who work on a lot of different connections. The heavy-duty rubber washers can handle both hot and cold water pipes, making it super versatile. It also features self-locking tabs to keep the washers in place, which is a nice touch. With over 100 units sold last month, it's gaining traction. Now, some people mention that it can be overwhelming to sort through all the pieces, but honestly, if you're someone who tackles various projects, having options is a huge advantage. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable assortment for different plumbing tasks. Skip this one if you're just looking for a single size, as it's designed for versatility. For its price, you get a lot of value from this kit. Now, before wrapping up, let's quickly compare these 5 solid options.
To wrap it all up, we covered the Permatex Ultra Black and Ultra Gray, both solid choices for different needs. Then we looked at the Blue Devil for serious repairs, followed by the versatile ZDBB and KEZE kits for various plumbing tasks. Each one offers something unique, so consider what fits your situation best before making that purchase.